In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Vercel Postgres. We'll be doing this directly inside Vercel, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where everything lives. The goal here is to connect a database to a specific project so your application can start using PostgreSQL without a lot of manual configuration. First, head over to Vercel and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your available projects. From here, choose the specific project you want to connect to a database. This part matters because the database connection and environment variables will be attached to that individual project, not your entire account. After you open the project, look for the storage section in the project navigation. Click into storage because this is where Vercel lets you add and manage database integrations and other persistent services connected to your app. Inside storage, you'll find marketplace options. Here, select a serverless PostgreSQL provider such as Prisma Postgres or Neon. These providers are designed to work smoothly with modern deployments, and using a serverless option can make setup and scaling much easier, especially if you want a simple managed experience. Once you've chosen your provider, click Create or Connect. At this stage, Vercel will handle a lot of the setup for you automatically. In particular, it will generate and inject your database connection credentials as environment variables for the project. That's a big convenience because it reduces manual copying and helps avoid configuration mistakes. It also means your app can access the database more securely through environment settings instead of hard-coding credentials. Next, complete the setup wizard. You'll be asked to choose a database name and your preferred region. For the best performance, pick a region that's as close as possible to your application server or the majority of your users. Keeping your app and database geographically close can reduce latency and make your application feel faster and more responsive. As you go through this step, take a moment to double-check your choices before finishing. Things like the database name and region are important for organization and performance, so it's worth being intentional here. And that's it. Once the wizard is complete, your Vercel project will be connected to a PostgreSQL database, and your environment variables should already be in place. From there, you can move on to integrating the database into your application code and start building features that rely on persistent data.